welcome back to another class. I hope all are good and very well. So today let me start English chapter number 5, The Bird. Come back, Bud, shouted Tom as he scrambled after the brown terrier. You are not dry yet. ठीक है, एक डॉगी है बच नाम का, वो उसको नहलाया है टॉम ने, और वो जैसे वो नहलाता है उसको वो भागने लगता है, दौड़ने लगता है, तो वो कहता है कि रुको अभी तुम सूखे नहीं हो. The dog raced across the field behind Tom's house, heading for some pine trees. Butch was not fond of his weekly bath and tried to escape at every opportunity. ठीक है, अब वो जो है नहाने के बाद घर से बाहर निकल जाता है और वो पीछे खेतों की तरफ दौड़ता है ना. अब वो हफ्ते में एक बार नहाता है, वो ऐसे ही करता है ना, वो प्रॉब्लम ऐसे क्रिएट करता है. इफ ही गेट्स इनटू द वुड्स ही विल नीड अनदर बाथ, mumbled Tom. I wish Molly were here to help. Just then a girl rushed up. Did he take off again? Turning to find his friend Molly, Tom replied, Yes, and he is probably already rolling in dirt. We need to bring him back. और ये मिट्टी में ना ऐसी लेट रहा है, रोलिंग हो रहा है, और ये हम जो है हमें जरूरत है इसको वापस लाने की, क्योंकि फिर ये गंदा हो जाएगा नहा के. As the two friends headed for the trees on the far side of the field, they heard Butch barking. Butch doesn't usually bark unless there's trouble, said Tom. They found Butch barking furiously at a small bird on the ground. It flapped one wing rapidly in a desperate attempt to fly away while it held the other wing close to its side. Tom grabbed Butch and pulled him away. Molly carefully picked up the bird and tried to console it with a soothing voice. I think its wing is broken, whispered Molly. Let's take it to my house. Dad will know what to do, said Tom. Back at the house, Tom's dad looked the bird over. He agreed that the wing was broken. Carefully, he set the wing to keep it still. The bird will need looking after until its wing heals, said Tom's dad. Oh, sure, both Tom and Molly replied. You will need to keep it fed and watered every day, cautioned Tom's dad. We will, promised Tom. The two found an old bird cage in the garage and set it on Tom's porch. Molly put the bird inside while Tom found a water dish. Molly suggested, how about we take turns? I will go hunt for some worms while you stay and watch the bird. Tomorrow we will switch. Okay, agreed Tom. The two friends took turns caring for the bird. They became quite fond of the little bird as each day it grew stronger. After a few weeks had passed, Tom's dad said, It took spine. The bird seemed to confirm this as it fluttered both its wings. I think we need to keep the bird a while longer, said Tom. हमें जो है टॉम से डॉगी से जो है इस बर्ड को सुरक्षित रखना है. ये I don't want to let it go too soon and have it not be able to live on its own. Tim and Molly, you know this bird owes you its life, said Tom's dad. But now it's time to let it go. Okay, Dad, said Tom. We will take it to the woods this afternoon. Butch tagged along as Molly and Tom walked slowly to the trees where they had first found the bird, opening the cage door. Okay, and they stood back. The bird hopped slowly to the opening and then suddenly flew out. It settled on a nearby tree limb. Butch barked once and the bird flew off into the deep green needles of the pine trees. Well, Butch, it's bath time again, said Tom, but we will make sure you don't get out until you are dry. है ना, कहते हैं कि अब तुम्हारा नहाने का फिर से समय हो गया है, लेकिन जब तक तुम सूख नहीं जाओगे हम तुम्हें बाहर नहीं जाने देंगे. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understood full chapter. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.